Easy steps of getting the DCC currency report on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button again to enter User menu. Step 4. Scroll up and down to select DCC rate enquiry on the terminal. Now press green button. Step 5. Terminal connects with the server and fetches DCC currency rates. Step 6. DCC currency report prints. Please feel free to contact us. Helpline number 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.